Nothing is back with another innovation that fuses cutting-edge technology with a bold, minimalist design. The Nothing Phone 3A continues the brand's legacy of delivering unique smartphones that stand out in the competitive market. Packed with advanced features and an eye-catching design, this device is a perfect balance of style and performance. Let's explore the details of what makes the Nothing Phone 3A a standout contender in 2025. At the forefront of the Nothing Phone 3A is its 6.7-inch AMOLED screen, offering vibrant colors and exceptional contrast. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or browsing through your apps, this display ensures an immersive experience. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, everything on the screen feels ultra-smooth, from scrolling through social media feeds to navigating the user interface. The AMOLED technology delivers deep blacks, sharp details, and vibrant hues, making every interaction with the device visually stunning. The flat design of the display adds to the minimalistic aesthetic of the phone, while the slim bezels provide an expansive and edge-to-edge viewing experience. If you're someone who values a premium display, the Nothing Phone 3A won't disappoint. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 3A is expected to feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset, a capable processor that strikes the perfect balance between performance and efficiency. This mid-range powerhouse ensures smooth multitasking, lag-free gaming, and quick app launches, making it ideal for everyday use. The chipset is designed to handle demanding tasks effortlessly while maintaining energy efficiency. Paired with ample RAM and storage options, the Nothing Phone 3A is built to deliver a seamless user experience, whether you're streaming content, playing games, or running productivity apps. The Nothing Phone 3A takes mobile photography to the next level with its dual 50MP camera setup. These high-resolution sensors are expected to capture stunning details and vibrant colors, ensuring that your photos look professional every time. What sets the Phone 3A apart is the inclusion of a telephoto lens, allowing you to zoom in on distant subjects with remarkable clarity. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, detailed portraits, or action shots, this camera setup has you covered. With advanced AI-powered features, the Nothing Phone 3A promises to deliver crisp and clear photos even in challenging lighting conditions. The cameras are also expected to support high-resolution video recording, making it an excellent choice for content creators and photography enthusiasts. The Nothing Phone 3A is expected to house a 4,290 mAh battery, designed to keep you connected and productive throughout the day. While slightly smaller than some competitors, the phone's efficient hardware ensures that you can easily get through a full day of use. For those moments when you're running low on power, the fast charging capabilities will have you back up and running in no time. Whether you're a heavy user or someone who needs their phone to last from morning to night, the Nothing Phone 3A provides reliable performance. Running on Nothing OS 3.0, based on the latest Android 15, the software experience on the Nothing Phone 3A is expected to be smooth, intuitive, and packed with customization options. Nothing OS has always focused on offering a clean and minimal interface, free from unnecessary bloatware, and this version is no different. With enhanced AI features, improved multitasking capabilities, and seamless connectivity, the software ensures a user-friendly experience. Android 15 also brings additional privacy controls, improved battery optimizations, and support for the latest apps and features, making the Nothing Phone 3A future-proof. Nothing has always been known for its unique design language, and the Phone 3A is no exception. The signature transparent back panel gives you a glimpse into the phone's internal components, adding a futuristic touch to its appearance. The glyph LED lights return with more functionality and customization options, making the phone stand out in a sea of generic designs. These lights can be used for notifications, calls, charging indicators, and more, adding a layer of practicality to the phone's aesthetic charm. The slim profile and lightweight build ensure that the Phone 3A is comfortable to hold and use, while its premium materials add durability and a touch of luxury. The Nothing Phone 3A is expected to launch on March 4, 2025, and it's already creating waves in the tech world with its blend of innovative features and striking design. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a photography lover, or someone who appreciates unique aesthetics, the Nothing Phone 3A has something for everyone. From its immersive display and capable Snapdragon processor to its advanced camera setup and signature glyph LED lights, this phone is a true testament to Nothing's commitment to innovation and minimalism. Excited about the Nothing Phone 3A? Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell icon to stay updated with the latest news and reviews on upcoming smartphones. Let us know in the comments if this device has caught your eye, and share what features you're most looking forward to. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.